Having trouble with Microsoft Store or Xbox app error 0x80073D0000? This error can prevent you from downloading apps or accessing content. Let's walk through the quick steps to fix it. To begin, right-click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Apps. Then select Installed Apps. Look for the app that's causing the issue, click the three dots next to it, and then select Advanced Options. In the next menu, click on Repair to fix the app without affecting its data. If that doesn't resolve the issue, click Reset, which will restore the app to its default state. Next, search for Fix Store in the search bar. Then select Find and Fix Problems with Microsoft Store. Click Next. Then follow the on-screen instructions by clicking Next again. After the process is complete, click Close to finish. Now, search for wsreset and click on the wsreset option that appears. This will reset the Microsoft Store cache and can resolve many store-related issues. Moving on to the next solution, search for PowerShell right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted to allow changes. In the PowerShell window, copy the command from the video description, paste it into PowerShell, and press Enter. This command will help fix any underlying issues with the Microsoft Store. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.